Hi everyone, Keyless Entry here. Just doing a StockLockSunday video. I've got these 4 Master locks here. Got a Master number 5, got a Master Fortress, Master 140, and a teeny weeny little Master 20mm. So I'm just going to try to pick all of them. I'll go just bottom of the keyway with a shallow, something shallow. Sure it's not binding, so might do. Let's try hook number 1, a gem, and the scimitar. Alright, let's see how we go with them. We'll just start off with the scimitar. So haven't picked in hand for a while, haven't picked any masters for a while apart from lottos. So let's see how we go. 1 feels springy, 2 is binding, got a 10 on the core. Oh yeah, I love this binding on the body bit. That's number 5 open, so that's the Master number 5. Let's go for the Fortress. Don't know if these are available overseas or not. Try to go top of the keyway here. Haven't seen too many of these picked like this Fortress. That's what it looks like. Fortress. I bought this from like Woolies. it's like a popular supermarket here down under. Alright, let's go top of the keyway with this one. And still using a scimitar, I guess. And there's something interesting about these keys and these keys, which I'll show you later. So let's find some pins. Okay, I believe I'm on a pin there. Or am I? Okay, got a bit of click and movement there. Another one there. 1, 2. More movement, and 1. That gave me more movement, but I think I'm hitting the tensioner there. So let's try one again. Try to get into number 1. Oh, and we've got an open. Oopsie, almost lost it. There we go. So we got the Fortress open. Let's try the 140. I believe these have spools in them. I haven't picked these. These have just been lying around in my Master collection. I think I might have picked them once and just I haven't picked these in months. So go back to find a pin. I think I'm on a pin now. Okay, I think I just set a pin there because I had a bit of movement on the core. Okay, 3. I think that's 3 binding now. That's going to give me counter. Okay, gave me counter and some movement. It did feel like an overset there. So I'm going to back off a little bit. 1, nothing on 1. Okay, 2's binding. Okay, got movement of 3 there. Okay, 1, counter off 1, and we are open. And this little 20mm. I'll go bottom of the keyway. Try to hold it. And see how I go with this one. So 1, 2, 2's bottom. Okay. Just hit 2 pins on that one. And it was open. So yeah, Masters, cool locks, easy to open. These 2 are easy because they are different locks, but they have the exact same bitting. I'll get in focus here. So, sorry for that. So these have the exact same bitting, even though they're different locks, as you can see. So I thought that was quite a coincidence. Coincidence. So that exact same bitting. So this is for the Fortress. This is for the 140, and we'll go back down here. And yeah, so this is for the 140, and it will open. the Fortress. And this is the Fortress key, which of course will open the Fortress. And this is the Fortress key. That's not for the not for the 140. Opens it up, and again, just to show you. So I don't know how many key combos they got in key combinations they could have in a 4-pinner. I guess they got pretty lucky them having the same bitting. This one I bought at Stratco. The Fortress, this one I bought it at Woolies, and this one I don't know where this one came from. I think when I went overseas, I had this on my. This was like 15 years ago on my suitcase. So yeah, that's just a few Master locks that I picked there. So I haven't picked these Masters before on camera. So there you go. Anyway, that was my Stock Lock Sunday. I'm way behind in everyone's videos. Due to me working and then Christmas, and I just had the flu recently, and so I'm catching up on everyone's videos because I've got the next 4 days off, well 3 now, because I'll go back to work on the 2nd, so I'm going to catch up on everyone's videos. My notifications is like full, so if I comment on your video from a month ago, don't be alarmed. Anyway guys, yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.